I am Isaac Newton, born on December 25, 1642 in the village of Woolsthorpe in England. I grew up in a modest family, as my father had died before I was born, and my mother had married someone else when I was young, which made me spend most of my childhood in the care of my grandmother. I grew up in difficult circumstances, but I was always passionate about deeply understanding the world around me. I discovered the law of gravity in 1665 or 1666, when I was in isolation in my village due to the plague that was sweeping London. I was sitting under an apple tree, and suddenly an apple fell from the tree, and a simple question came to my mind. Why does the apple fall towards the ground? Why does it not rise to the sky? This question led me to think about an invisible force that attracts things towards the ground, and this was the beginning of my discovery of the law of gravity. But I did not discover it in one moment, but it was the result of years of research and contemplation on motion and natural forces. My life was full of hard work and contemplation. I lived mostly alone, devoting myself to studying mathematics, astronomy, and physics. Although I lived a modest life, I was immersed in my research and experiments. Sometimes I would work long hours in my laboratory or at my desk, surrounded by books and graphs. One of my most important achievements was developing the laws of motion, which form the basis of our current understanding of how objects move. These laws are still taught in schools and universities around the world. I also founded calculus, which has become a fundamental tool in modern mathematics. I also developed the theory of light and colors and invented a reflecting telescope that helps in studying stars and planets. But let me tell you, I did not invent physics, as some people think. Science is an accumulation of knowledge from the efforts of many great minds over the ages. I was just part of this journey. If you want to discover more secrets of physics and learn about its discoverers throughout the ages, subscribe to the channel. There are many stories and secrets that I will share with you in the coming days. Follow the channel to learn more about those who contributed to our progress today.